guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So I just came out of the shower and I recently realized that my hair has become so damaged because of coloring it and because of straightening it, and I wanted a really nice hair pack. So Blinger have sent me this amazing hair pack. So this is the Jsoop Purple Water Pack, and this is what it looks like. The Jsoop Purple J Water Pack. So I thought this is like really interesting. I wanted to try this. So let me tell you about this product. So this is highly exclusive protein water pack, and it's for extremely damaged hair. So you don't need to apply this and then wash your hair. You need to use it when your hair is towel dried. So I have just washed my hair. I'm gonna get rid of the towel, and I want to try this hair pack and see how it is and if it works. So they said that this has a lot of protein, and I've heard that that's what these people have told me. It has 71% plant extract, and it's really good for your hair. Just apply it, and it has thermal activation. So once you apply it and then you use your blow dryer or ironing machine, these thermal components get activated, and that will really help your hair, and then it will give you a lot of volume, and it is like a total damage control. So let's try this now. So this is what the box looks like. It's for $50. I'll put all the links below from where to get this product. So first let's try this. It comes in a tube like this, very fancy and nice. So let me just read the instructions. They say just use for wet hair. Okay, my hair is kind of wet. She's gonna take this. I think I have like long hair, so I'm gonna take about this much. The only thing instruction is use for wet hair, and other things are in some other language, Korean I think, so I can't understand that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, rub this on my palm. Oh my god, it smells really good. It's amazing. And then I'm gonna apply it. It smells really good. I think I need a little bit more. This. Apply it. Especially here at the end, because my hair has become so dry. I really need to go for a haircut. I think I have a little bit of split ends too. This smells really good. I don't really know how much you need to apply because that's not written in this. I feel I'm going to apply a little bit more, especially on the ends. Like here. So far so good. It smells good. And my hand can easily glide like that. No knots. I'm concentrating more on the end. Okay. So I want to test their thermal activation process. So let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry my hair. So here I have my blow dryer. I think it's dried. Oh my god, can you see the volume? This is crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair and see. Oh my god. Look at the volume. I mean, that's a lot of volume. Look at that. Guys, I mean, there's so much volume. My hair looks like I've put 3-4 extensions. Like, there's so much bounce and volume. I think I really like this product. It smells amazing. So I don't really want to like straighten my hair because I'm loving the volume. And the only thing is, I like the volume, I love the smell, but then my hair's not become like really silky smooth. Like after you apply a hair serum, you know, your hair becomes so smooth and, you know, so nice, and that gives that shine. But if you are looking for some product which gives your hair a lot of volume, you have to try this. I mean, look at this. I think I'll blow dry my hair a little more because it is kind of wet. So let's see the final result. Okay guys, so I have blow dried my hair and just look at the amount of volume. I mean, I'm in love with this product. My hair looks less damaged, but the only thing is, it is not like your hair serum. I think after this you might have to apply a little bit of hair serum, and it smells amazing. It's really good, and I think you guys should definitely try this product. So this is the Jsoop Purple J Water Pack, and so this hair pack is really nice because you don't have to rinse your hair after you've applied it. So you can do this about 2 to 3 times a week, and I don't really like to blow dry my hair a lot, but I just wanted to try this product. And guys, I think even y'all don't blow dry your hair every day. It's not good, and don't straighten your hair every day. Only when it's needed, I think you have to do that. And hair oil, apply oil every week, at least twice a week. It'll be really good for your hair. You will thank me for sure. And if you guys have any more tips, let me know in the comment section below. And also I will put the link where you can get this product. And Blindia, thank you so much for sending me this. And I'm also on Instagram, go follow me there. It's called Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching guys. Bye.